Welcome back, everybody. So it's a very simple question. What the question means? It asks about arrangement of A, B, C, D. Okay, which sentence come first and which sentence follows that. Okay, that's the only thing. While we look at the fourth sentence in a simple way, look at that in the first sentence. So that okay, it cannot be the first sentence. So that means at least something is in front. Then stories. Maybe stories means what they are starting with some subject. It is subject. It is a name subject. Then you can teach them. So you can teach them means at least something would have been told before the previous. Okay, during the story time. During also maybe a start of the sentence. But when you compare D and B, there comes subject. So subject you have to give the more importance. Okay, so this is called what subject. So automatically the stories they are going to tell about the stories or something. Stories are perhaps the best way to teach a life lessons to children. That means what? Stories you have to give the children as a lesson. Stories to the children as a moral or lesson that you have to give. They are telling about that. And next, what could be the sentence means? Listen here. Children they are having. So the next sentence you can have the them. Them means what? The them is getting connected to the children. So automatically there will be first B, next one C. That means what you can teach them because stories are going to give children, and now you can teach. Okay, you can teach them. Who is the them? They are the children. Teach them. Okay, automatically see with the second one. And the next one, so what they're telling means so the kids enjoy storyline. Lesson or two. The story time I come up with a short morsel because once the stories are going, who is going to give the stories? That person. D. Okay. The person is giving the story. So while he is dictating the story to the students, what he is telling? The story at home, I come up with some short moral stories. So it is having he is telling that at the time he has some more moral stories. Okay, really very awesome moral time stories. Okay, so all of this you are giving everything in a clear way. So finally it's so it's so that the kids are all happy because all these things are happening in the good form to the kids. So that's why the kids getting enjoyed by hearing the stories, maybe story a lesson, one lesson, or it may be a two lesson because he is watching because he is starting the second lesson also, is it right? So stories at the time he is giving stories he is telling and he is telling moral also. Okay, so they are enjoying one as well as two lessons. Okay, so B, C, D, A. So this will be the first one. So mainly thing you want to know about the subject. Subject comes always the first sentence of a paragraph. Okay. If any doubt means you can ask me. Okay. Thank you all. Thank you very much. Really.